I will do a cleaning bottle. So first, rinse, initial rinse, cleanest to dirtiest. And now diluted. Diluted with soapy water. Inner to outer. Same, cleanest to dirtiest. After the final rinse, let it dry upside down to the sterile cloth with sterile tray. And now I will prepare for steaming the bottle. This has already water. I'm using gloves, so it won't contaminate the microorganisms. So I put water only less than a half of this pot. So open the spoon, okay, and starts boiling when start counting when it's start boiling. Okay. So after 10 to 15 minutes, then you can take out this all cleaning bottle.